In our series, Vaccinating America, we're looking at efforts to spread a positive message about COVID vaccines. Vice President Pence is being vaccinated on camera this morning in an effort to build confidence among Americans. A series of ad campaigns in the coming weeks will try to educate people about vaccine safety and effectiveness. CBS News Chief Medical Correspondent Dr. Jon LaPook looks at how the ads will address concerns and may involve some high-profile celebrities.
Friends don't let friends drive drunk.
From warnings about drinking and driving
McGruff here. I want you to learn a song that tells
to taking a bite out of crime, and iconic figures like Smokey the Bear, public service campaigns have long played an important role in educating the public.
Our goal is to have the right message.
Now the Ad Council, the nonprofit behind those campaigns, is working on a new project, spreading the word about the coronavirus vaccine. Ad Council President Lisa Sherman says their campaigns will be far-reaching.
Broadcast television, it's going to be radio, it's going to be digital and social platforms, celebrities that we're talking about. And it could be, you could go to church on Sunday and hear a message from your minister.
The Ad Council largely runs on donations. They secured $400 million in donated media for their COVID campaigns, such as ads that started rolling out in March, encouraging people to mask up and wash their hands. That's roughly 4 times what they received from messaging about Hurricane Katrina.
Is there a challenge you're facing right now which was unexpected?
The biggest challenge is just getting underneath the complicated nature of what makes people hesitant. For some, it's really just, I need to understand that this is safe for me and my family.
Dr. Anthony Fauci says roughly 70 to 85% of Americans will need to get a COVID vaccine in order to achieve herd immunity. The percentage of willing people has been slowly climbing in recent months, from 63% in September to 71% now. In the past, familiar faces have been used to boost vaccine confidence.
You ain't nothing but...
Including royalty on both sides of the Atlantic. In 1956, Elvis Presley got the polio vaccine in front of reporters, and Queen Elizabeth announced her children, Prince Charles and Princess Anne, had also received it. Dr. Francis Collins is head of the National Institutes of Health.
Who is today's Elvis Presley?
Oh, I think we need a bunch of Elvis Presleys. I would sure like to see Beyonce. Let's get Oprah. Let's get a bunch of athletes, maybe a few doctors.
Like the Ad Council, the National Institutes of Health says when it comes to COVID vaccine messaging, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach.
How do you figure out which populations to target and how to target them?
There's a lot of research that's already gone on in terms of focus groups with particular communities to find out what is the source of their concerns.
Life can be bright in America.
Latinx actress Rita Moreno says she plans to get the COVID vaccine as soon as she can and is encouraging others to do the same.
I think you should have not just famous people. I think you need to have real people who have, let's say, a gift for gab.
Would you consider taking it publicly as an example?
Absolutely. And I think it's a wonderful thing that Elvis Presley did. And by the way, I used to date him. Did you know that?
No, Rita, we did not know that. For CBS This Morning, Dr. Jon LaPook, South Shaftesbury, Vermont.
You know it now.
Who did not know that?
Go Rita Moreno.
I love it.
I would tell
what a
people
great
too
tip.
if I was
You
her.
bet.
Yes, I used to date Elvis Presley.
It's a memorable piece. And remember to get your vaccine when it's your turn.